Welcome to the Passive Income Talk Show, where I bring you education, some information about how to earn passive income, especially for times like this we're living in right now. It's going to be a special treat. Today I'm doing a collab with Darth Dividend. So if you haven't checked out Darth Dividend, I encourage you to check out this page and subscribe to this page. I'm going to do another video just like I'm doing on the best stocks for a new investor. Everyone wants to get started investing, but try to figure out why and what to do and how to do it, how to figure out how to make some money, because the market is really crazy right now, and you've got to be very careful and do your research, do your homework. And so Darth and I, we teamed up. We're going to do this great little collab and give you some excellent information. So after you've done this video, go back and go ahead and check his video out. Okay, this video is being sponsored by Webull. If you don't have a Webull account, I encourage you to check out. Webull is giving a free stock, but all you can do is open up the account and make it a $100 deposit, and you'll get a free stock that can be valued up to $1,200. Okay, anything with investing, it's like a ride. I hope you enjoyed the ride. You've also got to be safe when anything you want to do. I'm not a licensed advisor, just giving you some tips on what I'm doing and some things to watch out for, and you might want to add it to your portfolio. Once again, this is not financial advice. Okay, Mr. Smith, Mr. Smith's going to talk to you about, lesson one. Main rule you got to remember: this is a long-term investment game. It's not overnight, day trading, making penny stocks, and making $1 million overnight, because it doesn't work like that. You've got to take your time and be patient in whatever you do when it comes to investing, because you got to look at the long-term picture. Don't expect to be a millionaire next week. Don't expect to be a millionaire in a month from now. You've got to look at the long-term. And if you want to earn passive income, you got to work it up as like a system. It's not going to take overnight. Just like when investing, you've got to have patience in the game. You have to understand. You have to set your system and the tools and the process to make it all work, and have money come back to you, so you're getting paid off of it. That's really what it's all about. So today's lesson, we're going to talk about the 5 best stocks as a new investor, and what you want to get involved with, and what you can do to help build up your portfolio. The whole stock market, as you know, is as of last week. The stock market has gone crazy. We started the year off 32.57 for the excuse that little dollar sign, but 32.57 for the S&P 500. Beginning of the year, we're currently at 29.56. So it's really not much of a difference. It decreased a little bit, but some stocks took a bigger hit than others. I'm talking about some of those stocks that are doing very well, which you may want to add to your portfolio. Okay, this is as of May 2020. These stocks are all performing well. Some are older companies, and some are new, and they're all doing very well. So the first one you want to take a look at is CHEWY. CHEWY, it's more for pet products in terms of medicine, food, play toys, and a lot of this you can also purchase online, which online products doing very well right now because of the whole, now contact virus, stay at home order, home in place order, and everything that's going on right now. And so CHEWY is seeing a big surge in their production right now. CHEWY was founded in 2010. You really can compare CHEWY to Amazon. Amazon, order everything online. CHEWY is pretty much the same way, and they focus on the pet market. In addition to just providing information or product for dogs, you can also look at if you have cats, fish, birds, horses, reptiles, and even small pets. A lot of this can be ordered through their website, CHEWY.com. They offer over 60,000 products from 2,000 partners. CHEWY is basically being a recession-proof recession-proof stock, because a lot of people have pets. I don't have dogs, but I have fish. And, I had to go to the drugstore. I had to go to the store the other day to purchase some items, and I can probably do the same thing if I would have bought from CHEWY. I didn't know about CHEWY at the time, but I'll probably look at CHEWY for the next time and make a purchase. CHEWY has done very well. You see, it's maintained relatively steady for most of the past year, but then right around here, when the coronavirus started hitting, the price started taking off. So it currently closed at 42.11. It has a low of about maybe 29, somewhere on there. It dipped to about a low of about 20.62 earlier in the year. or late last year. CHEWY does not pay a dividend, but it's sometimes not everything's about dividends. You might have to look at other things that are doing well right now, because a lot of dividends are getting cut if you haven't seen. The next one is Newport Mining. A lot of people talk about gold getting into precious metals. Well, Newport Mining may be something you might want to add to your portfolio. Precious metals normally do well when the economy is not doing well. Yes, people are getting free money right now, but that also hurts how things are working in the government, because when the government's printing up more money, the value of your dollar is going down, and that things like that could trigger a gold resurgence. And gold, especially Newport Mining, is starting to take advantage of that. All right, Newport Mining closed at $67.90. They do pay a small dividend, forward dividend of 1, yield of 1.5%. Since the operation is holding its very own, has got up to a height of $67.90. Newport Mining may even continue to go higher. And this company is different than what it was if you look at back in the past crash. Newport Mining acquired Goldcore in 2019, so they're a stronger company than what they were before. The company is also a global company with operations in the U.S., Canada, Mexico, Australia, Dominican Republic, Peru, Argentina, Suriname, and Ghana. You may not have heard of Okta before, but Okta is doing very well in the cybersecurity, helping out companies provide protection for their computer systems during this time frame. I actually have Okta. I've used it for my day job. I never realized that as stock. If I would have realized that, I probably would have made a good amount of money, but I didn't know about it. But as $1.60 at the close on May 15th, cybersecurity company is just getting started. The security company supports businesses as well as employees securely access their computer systems. They have a multi-factor authentication, which allows users to access the cloud, mobile, and company applications. It also helps prevent hacking, providing state-of-the-art computer security. The company has broken even, but their cash flow is healthy, earning 6% in 2019. Sales continues to grow over the past 5 quarters from 45 to 50%. Growth is expected over the next 3 years, averaging 30 to 35%. Now, the next one is Snap. You may have heard of Snap. You may have used Snap. I had Snap before. I didn't really use it that much. I didn't really understand how to use it for what I was doing. But Snap is starting to gain some attention now. A lot more people are using mobile, and Snap is taking advantage of that. While Facebook and Instagram were adding the stories feature, Snap took a little hit about a year or two ago, but now it's starting to see the resurgence again. As of 15th, Snap was trading for $17.10. Snap's numbers are 20% higher than a year ago, with 299 million to 4 billion snaps created in the fourth quarter. As a result, revenue has grown from 44% in the first quarter is North America, and is up 40%, 61% in Europe, and the rest of the world was up 49%. Snap also produced the first quarter positive operating cash flow. Snap also produced their first quarter of positive operating cash flow. Then the coronavirus, there's a 30% jump in the platform from January to March. Growth for Snap began in late 2019. Snap doesn't pay a dividend, but they may see a resurgence and may do very well in the near future. It also could be like an underdog social media company compared to Facebook, which is up over 200 right now. Will it get that high? Unlikely, but Snap may still be able to perform and hold its own. And the next one is Veeva Systems, VEEV. This company I never heard of until I started writing, until I started doing research on this article. Veeva is a cloud software company that's seeing a surge. Cloud software company that's seeing a surge due to the CV and primarily in the medical industry. VEEV helps drug companies manage clinical trial data and life sciences. The company has made it software free during the CV crisis to pharmaceutical sales reps through September to connect remotely with the doctors. Okay, the stock price is sitting at $200.43. As of May 15th, the company's revenue continues to grow and is expected for the next few years to at least 2024. Customer count increased by 20% in 2019, and revenue increased 34% in the last quarter. The stock price has steady increase since 2016. So yeah, I encourage you, as I mentioned earlier, make sure you check out Darth Dividend channel, subscribe to this video, and yeah, check out these other two videos which may help you earn passive income. But take care, have a great day. I'll be back this Friday with another passive income video.